In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through eBay and manage your account settings effectively. Whether you're a seasoned eBay user or new to the platform, this guide will help you understand the process of altering certain settings with ease. Let's get started. First, we'll begin by opening up eBay. So, on your preferred web browser, go to www.ebay.com. Once you've arrived on the home page, you'll find a host of options. To proceed, you'll need to ensure you're logged into your account, which will allow you access to all the personalized features available on the platform. If you're not logged in, simply click the Sign In button located at the top right corner. Enter your user credentials and press Enter. Perfect. Now that you're signed in, let's move on. Next, head over to your profile. You'll find this by clicking on your account icon, which is typically represented by your profile picture, or an icon if you haven't set one up yet. This will initiate a drop-down menu where you can access a range of options designed to customize your user experience. From this menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. This option allows you to delve deeper into the personal segment of your eBay usage. It holds the key to influence how you interact with and use the site in a way that lines up with your needs and preferences. Upon entering the Account Settings area, you'll observe sections such as Activity, Personal Information, and more. For our tutorial, our primary focus is on the Activity section. Click on Activity to view your recent and ongoing engagements within eBay. This section displays your purchase history, bids, offers, and more. For our task, we're specifically looking at bids and offers. This can be found under the Activity category. Once you've accessed bids and offers, you gain visibility into your active interactions related to buying and selling. Now navigate to the section labeled Offers. Here you will find any offers you have placed or received. If there's an offer you wish to cancel, you'll find a cancel option adjacent to each offer listing. It's important to make a decision regarding offer cancellations as soon as possible. Timeliness can be critical, whether it's due to changing your mind or realizing a bid doesn't fit your current needs. Simply click on the Cancel option next to the offer you wish to retract. This action will immediately remove your offer from the seller's view, ensuring that your bidding intentions remain flexible and up to date. And with that final step, you're done. You've successfully navigated through your eBay account settings to manage your offers. Remember, the more familiar you become with using these settings, the more smoothly you'll be able to shape your eBay experience to suit your personal preferences. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Stay tuned for more guides and tips to enhance your online navigation skills.